everyone, now we'll be learning how to make this bunny shaped lantern. Start off by cutting the outline of a bunny. Take some cardboard paper and make the same tracing. On one of the sides, stick tape and then cut off the excess of this. Stick tape onto the other piece of cardboard as well and then stick flowers all over the tape sides. Stick them both together and then add lights in the middle. In order to make this mask, start off by cutting out the bunny shape onto a white sheet of paper. Add the ears using some pink and white paper as well. Draw on the face of the bunny, add the little glittery eyes and then a cute little mouth. Add a carrot at the top. Now take 2 strips of paper, stick them together. Make a circular shape out of them and staple them together. Now we'll be making some ducks in a pond. Take a small box and then add fruit foam net at the bottom. Then take the top part and then stick some blue and white clay at the top. Take multiple balls of black clay and then line this bowl with this black clay. Make some water leaves out of some green clay and then stick them all around. Take a small black piece of clay and then add ice to it and make it look like tadpoles. Don't forget to make the ducks out of clay and then on the side add some flowers. Now we'll be learning how to make this lantern. For this, start off by taking the cap of a box. Take 2 of them and then take multiple earbuds. Through both of these caps, add 2 thread pieces to it. In between them, add multiple earbuds as such. This should hold them together and apart. Color them in different colors, add some lights in the middle. Next, take a branch and then start off by taking any sort of box cap. Take a white bit of clay and then stick the branch into it. Take a green ball of clay and then take a toothbrush, make multiple dots onto it. Stick them all around the branch that you have taken and stuck into the white clay. You may use toothpicks to make the dots all around it. Decorate it with different balls of clay as well. Now we'll be learning how to make these cows on grass. Start off by taking a cup and then add spots all over it that look like clouds out of black marker. Then take a white sheet of paper and then draw on the face of a cow. Add the horns and everything and color it in. Cut this out and then stick it onto the cup that you have made. Make 4 holes in it and then take a white piece of paper and then make a cylindrical shape out of it. This will make the legs. Color the base in black. Stick them onto your sheet of paper. Next, start off by taking any sort of circular object and then face markings onto a white sheet of paper. Draw on some faces to each of these and then to each of them add different colored balls of clay or different bits of clay. Spread them as you like. For the second one, we have added multiple balls. For the third one, we have added swirls and then we've added spikes for the last. Next, in order to make this lantern, take a yellow rectangular sheet of paper and then cut it in half, make a cylindrical shape out of it. Make the frame using 4 of these stuck together. Stick some tape on one of the sides, cut off the excess. Now take some branches and stick them on one of the ends. Take some clay and then arrange it together as such. Stick them all together and then stick them onto the branch that you have taken. Add multiple balls all around to make it look all the more better. Don't forget to add some leaves made out of clay. Arrange them in a 3D like shape and then add a cross to the base of one of them. Tie a thread to it and then add lights on the inside. Next, take a white circular sheet of paper, then take a tissue paper, mark it in red and orange and other such shaded colors. Cut it up into multiple small pieces. Taking a white circular sheet of paper, using a marker, draw on the bark of a tree. Add the smallest details to it. Take a yellow ball of clay, flatten it onto your piece of paper at the top and then add the multiple cut up tissue papers that you have taken. At the bottom, add some clay and then spread it out using a fork. Now, start off by taking a yellow sheet of paper and then cut out the shape of a circle on it. Make it look like a crowd in which there is a circle in it as well and then give it a 3D like shape. Add eyes to the middle of it and a cute little smile along with the tongue. Don't forget to add the hands and the legs of it. Once you are done with this, color it in as you please as well. We have used the color orange. Now take 2 strips of yellow paper and then fold them one on top of the other as such in order to make a spring-like effect. Stick it to the bottom. Thank you for watching.